Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It looks a little bit different around here, and that's because I have moved to my basement. We got this crusty little space redone, well, thanks to my husband, and I'm loving it. So if you want a tour, let me know. It's not big, but I love it. Today I'm showing you the Sotec magnetic hoop for the Innovis. If you have been embroidering with regular hoops, this is a game changer. So let's just get right into it. So the Brother Innovis is a single needle flatbed embroidery machine, and if you know, you know. There are regular embroidery hoops and they're not bad, but magnetic hoops are a game changer for flatbed embroidery. All right, so let's just unbox. Came in this box. I of course already opened it because I'm like, I gotta make sure it fits the machine, because there are different machine arms, like the little slip it goes in, and then there are different sizes, so make sure you know what size you want. But I got a 6x10, come in this nice foam. Look how nicely packaged. Okay. Oh, and it looks like it came with instructions already packaged into the magnets. So cool. So it's just like a, I don't know what this is made out of for the hoop, but the magnets are, this is what makes it magnetic. Look at that. That's strong. Okay. So what you'll do is you'll take your garment, whatever product you're embroidering, load it on this hoop, and then once you've got it secured with its stabilizer, you'll simply drag it to the edge and do that. That's that simple. And that way it's nice and taut and you can maneuver the fabric if it has any wrinkles. This is awesome. So I got ahead of myself a little, but I just started removing the magnets and kind of putting them outside of that, where I took them off at. I'll note that these little straight guys are for bottom. And then I laid these to the side, making sure they're all where I took them off. Okay, so it looks like these are the instructions. And I forgot to mention it comes with a nice marker for center. So when you hoop your garment, you can have the center point and just throw it on top like that. Okay, so we've taken everything off, and I want to personalize this soon-to-be book sleeve that I quilted. So I'm gonna hoop that and put my brand name on it. And then since this was quilted, it's already pretty thick, so stability will be there. So I won't be using stabilizer, but if you were to, you just cut it to size. I'd take like a magnet or two, clamp it down over the stabilizer, and then float your stuff in place, and then take that magnet away from the stabilizer once this is set down, and then we'd start putting magnets on. I'm gonna center this up. And the way these magnets work, it's got a little groove. So those will be facing away from this area. So what we'll do is simply drag the fabric to the side. And then once you feel that edge, you just, enough said. So I'm gonna continue doing that. So that way we are pulling the fabric taut. So I feel the edge, just let it go. And of course, when you have your design picked out, you need to make sure and trace and make sure your needle won't hit or anything. But in the instructions, not to cover up these little grooves where the centering mechanism would go. So I'm gonna switch. Okay, so we are just making sure all fabric is pulled from the center out, and right up to the edge, we'll just drop that magnet, making sure that little notch is not covered up. Whoop. Okay, then we'll be ready to go. So like your regular embroidery hoop, you're just gonna load this in where the armhole is. Holding the arm down. Oh, snap it into place. Okay, I'm gonna give it a quick trace. Looks like it's ready to go. Just like that, we are done. Look how good. Hey guys, now that this is finished, I am so excited to just go finish this out. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a little like ski, consider subscribing, and thank you SoTech for sending me these hoops, or this hoop. I love it and I'm gonna use the heck out of it. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.